Calling all zoom enthusiasts. Are you tired of blurry, distant shots on your phone? This video reveals the top Ultrazoom cameras in 2024, letting you capture wildlife, landscapes, and action with incredible detail from far away. Buckle up and get ready to reach new frontiers in photography. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. Nikon Coolpix P950. The Nikon Coolpix P950, introduced on January 20, 2020, boasts impressive features centered around its 16-megapixel sensor and remarkable 83x optical zoom magnification. With an equivalent focal length range of 24 to 2000 millimeters, this camera offers unparalleled versatility. Despite its extensive zoom capabilities, the lens maintains a variable maximum aperture of f2.8 to 6.5. Equipped with optical vibration reduction, the P950 ensures steady shots, particularly at longer focal lengths. Photographers will appreciate the option to capture raw files alongside JPEGs, providing greater flexibility during post-processing. Composition and review are facilitated by the 3.2-inch vari-angle LCD screen, while the camera's speed is demonstrated through a maximum burst rate of 7 fps. Additionally, videographers will delight in the P950's ability to record ultra-high-quality 4K videos, enhancing its versatility for both still and motion capture. Number 2. Sony CyberShot RX10i. The RX10iV stands out as a premium bridge camera that demonstrates the transformative power of cutting-edge technology. At its core lies a 1.0-inch type sensor, boasting an impressive 20-megapixel resolution and the ability to achieve up to 24 fps continuous shooting, making it ideal for capturing high-quality images of fast-moving subjects. With a 25x optical zoom, the RX10i offers an equivalent focal length range of 24 to 600 millimeters, ensuring versatility in various shooting scenarios, including wildlife photography. While it may not match the extreme telephoto capabilities of Nikon's P950 and P1000, the RX10iV's fixed lens compensates with impressive speed, featuring a variable aperture of f2.4 at the wide end and f4 at the telephoto end. Number 3. Panasonic Lumix FZ330. Despite being one of the more affordable ultra-zoom bridge cameras on the market, Panasonic's Lumix FZ330 does come with some compromises, notably its smaller 2.3-inch sensor with a modest 12-megapixel resolution. As a result, it may not be the best choice for those seeking to print large, high-quality images. However, for users interested in ultra-zoom bridge cameras, let's delve into its key features. Released in 2015, the Lumix FZ330 offers 4K 25p video recording and Panasonic's renowned 4K photo modes, enabling users to extract 8-megapixel stills from 4K footage. This essentially provides a burst rate of 25 fps, which, considering the camera's maximum resolution of 12 megapixel, is not a significant loss when downsampling to 8MP. Additionally, the camera's zoom range is impressive, spanning from 25 to 600 millimeters equivalent, and maintaining a constant f2.8 aperture throughout the zoom range. Number 4. Sony CyberShot RX10 III. This camera presents a compelling option for those interested in the features of the RX10 IV, but prefer a more budget-friendly alternative. Originally priced at $1,499, the RX10 III can now be found on the second-hand market for around $850, offering significant savings without sacrificing performance. With its 24 to 600 millimeters equivalent lens, the RX10 III offers the same expansive focal range as its successor, the RX10 IV. While it lacks the stacked sensor found in the RX10 IV, which enables advanced features like 24 fps continuous autofocus, the RX10 III still impresses with a burst rate of up to 14 fps. Additionally, it boasts a 1/32 0.000 sec shutter option and captures detailed images with its sensor. For users who don't require the advanced capabilities of the RX10 IV, the RX10 III provides a cost-effective solution without compromising on quality. Number 5. Canon PowerShot SX70HS. This is an excellent choice for those seeking a bridge camera that offers exceptional value for money. Priced at under £600, this camera boasts an impressive 65x optical zoom, providing an equivalent focal range of 21 to 1365 mm from its f3.4 to 6.5 fixed lens. Equipped with a 20-megapixel sensor and Canon's advanced Digic 8 processor, the SX70HS delivers outstanding performance across various shooting scenarios. It offers an ISO range of 100 to 3200 and achieves a fast burst rate of 10 frames per second, 5.7 fps with continuous autofocus, ensuring you never miss the perfect shot. Despite its powerful capabilities, the SX70HS remains highly portable, weighing just 608 grams. Its DSLR-like design and shape enhance its usability, while the 3-inch vari-angle LCD enables convenient composition and playback. Additionally, built-in Wi-Fi allows for seamless content transfer to smart devices, enhancing the camera's versatility and connectivity options. So, which camera reigns supreme? It depends on your needs. We highlighted the strengths of each contender, but if you crave the ultimate zoom monster, the Nikon Coolpix P950 is your beast. Need blazing fast shooting? The Sony RX10 IV is your champion.